I am Jara Febrer. I work in GOP Menorca, and we are the coordinators of the Menorca Living Lab that is part of GOP for All project. The mission of our Living Lab is focused on farming, on the local farming sector, and what we want to achieve is contributing to the transition of the agricultural sector towards a more sustainable model, which we call an agro-ecological model. For us, this means a model that takes soil health into account when deciding what practices to implement. The farming sector in Menorca addresses big challenges when it comes to productivity of the sector. And this productivity is highly threatened by soil-related problems. The first problem is the lack of nutrients, so the loss of soil fertility. Then we also face big problems of soil erosion, and also a worldwide problem that is reducing the soil-related fauna. And by this fauna I mean the very little fauna, so the microbiology living in the soil, but also the bigger animals that we can see that somehow help the productivity by balancing plagues and things like that. The problems farmers face when it comes to productivity of their businesses translate into a crisis in the end of the whole agricultural sector in Menorca, and farms are facing problems of lack of economic viability. So what we want to achieve by this transition towards agroecology is to, on the one hand, get healthier food. This is something that is necessary for all of us. And then also having healthier landscapes. So it's both the food we eat, but then also the landscape where we inhabit. In fact, we are still growing. We are the baby living lab, and we are learning what we need. But what we can see is that it would be very useful for us to gain visibility, that more people, more actors know what we do in Menorca and why is it important. We also would like to learn from others, get inspiration about the ways they are solving problems. And then also we would like to get help to increase the engagement of other actors. And we think that probably if we frame better the activity we do, the action we do in this European soil mission, then we can also get easier to the local authorities. At the very local level, what we would like, because our Living Lab has taken the shape of an alliance for agroecology in Menorca, and what we want to achieve is a maximum number of people coming in. So the first thing that people can do, if they are like local actors in Menorca, the Balearic Islands, or even Spain, is to participate in our alliance, in our Living Lab. That's the first thing. And then for other actors, I think we can just learn from each other, we can exchange, so we will be always interested in knowing how others are facing their problems. And also, with other projects, we would be keen on creating new projects, new alliances, new initiatives with other living labs that are working on the same topics.